Are you tired of feeling like you're missing out on financial opportunities, but you're not sure where to start? You've probably heard that investing is the key to building wealth, but it seems complicated, right? It feels like only people with thousands of dollars to spare or years of financial experience can get in the game. Well, what if I told you there's a simple, stress-free way to start growing your money today, even if you're completely new to investing? And what if you could start with just $5? Welcome to the video that could change your financial future. Today, we're diving into the easiest way to grow your wealth. No complicated strategies, no need to be a finance expert, just a straightforward approach that anyone can use. If you've ever felt like you're missing out on building a better financial future, this video is exactly what you've been waiting for. For the past 10 years, I've been deep into the world of finance and investing. I've studied market trends, advised clients, and seen firsthand what works and what doesn't. I've helped people just like you move from feeling stuck and overwhelmed by their finances to confidently growing their wealth. Now, I know how confusing and intimidating it can be for first-time investors, especially young adults who are just beginning their financial journey. That's why I'm here today, to share with you an opportunity that simplifies everything and puts you in control. Over the years, I've realized that the biggest barrier to investing isn't a lack of knowledge or money. It's the fear of getting started. The fear of making mistakes, of losing what little you have, or of simply not knowing where to begin. But what if you could take that first step without any of those worries? Today, I'm going to show you how. In this video, I'm going to reveal 3 key things that will change how you think about investing. The first key is how to start investing with just $5. Yes, you heard that right. You don't need thousands of dollars to get started. In fact, you can start with less than the cost of your next coffee run. The second key is why Acorns is the perfect tool for beginners who want to grow their money without the stress. Acorns takes the guesswork out of investing, making it easy for anyone to start, even if you have zero experience. The third and final key is how you can take advantage of a special deal today to kickstart your investment journey. And trust me, this is a deal you don't want to miss. Now, here's the thing. This video is packed with valuable information, and if you're serious about growing your wealth, you're going to want to stay until the end. Why? Because I've got a special offer that will make it easier than ever for you to get started. But before we dive into that, let's address a problem that stops so many people from ever investing. Here's the big problem. Most people think they need thousands of dollars to start investing, and that misconception keeps them from even trying. They think investing is only for the rich or for people who already have money to spare, but that's simply not true. The reality is, the earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. It's not about how much you start with, it's about the time you give your investments to compound and grow. But if you keep waiting until you think you have enough money, you're losing out on valuable time, and that's something you can never get back. Think about it. If you had started investing just $5 a week 5 years ago, how much more could you have today? The power of compounding means that even small amounts, when given time, can grow into something substantial. And that's exactly what Acorns helps you do. It makes it easy to start small and grow over time. Now you might be wondering, how does Acorns actually grow my money? How does a small investment turn into something meaningful over time? Those are great questions, and I'm going to answer them in just a minute. But first, let's talk about why starting early is so crucial. You see, investing isn't just about the money you put in, it's about time in the market. The longer your money is invested, the more it can grow. And the best part? Acorns makes this process incredibly simple, so you can set it and forget it, letting your investments work for you in the background. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's break down exactly how Acorns works and why it's such a powerful tool for first-time investors. Acorns is designed to make investing as easy as possible. It's perfect for beginners because it does all the heavy lifting for you. Here's how it works. Roundups. Acorns automatically rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. So if you buy a coffee for $3.50, Acorns rounds it up to $4 and invests that 50 cents for you. It's a painless way to start investing without even thinking about it. Smart portfolios. Acorns builds a diversified portfolio for you based on your goals and risk tolerance. You don't need to worry about picking stocks or understanding the market. Acorns does it all for you, ensuring your money is invested wisely. Automatic recurring investments. You can set up recurring investments as low as $5 a week. This consistent investing habit, no matter how small, can lead to significant growth over time. It's like setting up a financial future on autopilot. With Acorns, you're not just saving money, you're investing it, giving it the opportunity to grow. And because it's all automated, you can focus on living your life while your investments grow in the background. Remember the gift I promised you earlier? Well, here it is. By using the exclusive link in the description, Acorns will credit your account with $5 when you invest your first $5. That means you're doubling your investment from day one with no risk. It's like getting free money to start your financial journey. This is the perfect opportunity to take that first step into the world of investing without any fear or hesitation. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on growing your wealth. And remember, it only takes $5 to start your journey with Acorns today. Click the link below, take advantage of that $5 credit, and start building your future. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain.